Open your deadlock settings. On the left, select video. Set rendering quality to low. If you see the big menu, uncheck the advanced settings. After you select low, check the advanced settings and ensure the VSync is turned off. Scroll up and set your window mode to full screen. If your full screen causes alt-tab problems, use borderless instead. And only turn VSync back on if screen tearing bothers you more than the added input delay. Set your upscaling technology to FSR2 TAA. Keep it on native rendering if your FPS is already high enough and you prefer a sharper image. Set the in-game FPS limit to your monitor's refresh rate and the dashboard maximum FPS to 60. Try running around and seeing if it works now. If your FPS is stable and the game is blurry, you can change your render quality to 100% and that'll improve the sharpness dramatically. If the FPS didn't improve enough, return to your settings, video, scroll down to options, and change your rendering to Vulkan or Direct3D 11. If DirectX 11 is already selected, test Vulkan instead. Render performance depends on your GPU, so neither option is always faster.